Hello English learners! Today we are going to explain how to use already, still, and yet in English. Those words are adverbs, and I show you the differences among them. Already. Already means that something happened earlier than we expected. With the present perfect tense already usually goes after have or has, and before the main verb. Examples. She has already made the cake, she is cooking the pasta now. Have you already driven to Miami? Still means that something is ongoing, hasn't finished particularly when it was expected to finish earlier. Examples. Is your boss still at the same company? The boy is still playing at the beach. Means that something that we expected has happened or hasn't happened. We usually put it at the end of a sentence. Examples. Michael doesn't send me the email yet. He hasn't cooked the turkey yet. English learners. Practice those words to enhance your English every day. Write down in the comments section below what other topics related to the English language you would like to explain for you. That's everything for today, guys. Subscribe, and if you like this video, give us like and thumbs up to make more lessons for you. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching us. And see you the next time.